flash flood warning! Holy cow. Hello, Laura.
The National
I guess. Oh, jeez, that scared me!
Warning for northwestern Howard County in southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Cedar County in southwestern Arkansas, southeastern McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma,
Pro 97 didn't
northeastern
activate.
Red River County in northeastern Texas until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:06 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding.
PDS.
Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Queen, Umpire,
Oh, it's for the Queen in Idabel.
Gilham, Athens, Avery,
Oh, dang.
Bayworth, Eagletown, West Line, West Otis, Hochatown, Holly Creek, Oak Hill, Harris, Brierley, English, and Berg. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area.
Holy cow.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
This isn't even,
Most
Laura's not
flood
even here
depths
yet.
occur in
Laura hasn't
vehicles.
even made landfall.
Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying
Just in case this is
spots.
a double-header.
In early terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to
There we go.
cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring.
I've never heard that.
If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground.
Move to higher ground. They cut off the bulletin.
The National
Wow,
Weather Service
that was cool.
Shreveport
What the actual heck? What? Who thought it was a good idea to send out the weekly?
This is the routine Wednesday morning test of the National Weather Service's NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System.
What in the world?
The test is normally conducted during each Wednesday morning between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is severe weather in the area or threatening the area, the test is then postponed until
So,
Thursday morning.
tell
or
me
until the
how
next
a
Thursday
required
morning.
weekly test...
There is no severe weather in the area at this time. Repeating once again,
Relates-
this is the routine Wednesday morning test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning
I completely
Alarm
forgot the
System.
flash flood warning.
Also to repeat again,
Who sent this out?
there is no severe weather in the area at this time.
Also to repeat again, there's no severe weather in the area at this time. I got a PDS flash flood warning, and now you just send out a weekly.
This concludes the routine Wednesday morning test.
Shreveport is on Sterling today.